PF Outdoors specializes in the production and innovation of inflatable paddleboards, inflatable kayaks, inflatable air tracks, and other inflatable water sports products and accessories. We provide one-stop production in-house, including the production process of silicone patches, EVA deck pads, D-rings, handles, straps, silkscreen printing, and UV digital printing jobs in our own workshop. This contributes to our better quality control, more competitive costs, confidential production, and flexible lead time in the industry. We have rich experience in OEM and ODM for world-leading water sports brands. We also innovate in our own OBM products like MyBoat, FlyPark, and Haiku for fast shipment and wholesaling. Each product and its main accessories go through our double strict QC inspections during inline production and before outgoing by our 2 independent QC teams. Each product also comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime services. We understand that a good inflatable product is the result of good design, high-quality materials, experienced workmanship, comfortable production environment, good management, and strict QC inspection. Therefore, we spare no effort to improve our quality from these points. We also provide professional sales service and R&D assistance for each customer, and we continuously enrich our product lines with new patented designs and production technology. We believe that by partnering with us, your business will grow faster, safer, and bigger. Welcome to inquiring us anytime.